So recently I uploaded a repair video of this drone, which is a DJI Avata 2, and this is by far the worst and most difficult drone to repair. If you want to simply replace the motors, you need actual power tools that can help you scrape off the glue because it's too hard to remove by hand. In short, saying that this drone is not repair friendly would be an understatement. If you want to see the full version of this video, head to my channel where you can also find other videos like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.